Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pably. So today I am going to tell you how you can send form stack leads to ConvertKit automatically. Now form stack is an online form building software, or you can also use it for building documents online, and ConvertKit is a full featured email service provider. Now what will happen? Whenever we will have a form submission through form stack, the details of that form submission will be sent to the ConvertKit, and an automatic subscriber will be added to your ConvertKit account whenever he will go and authenticate the subscription request on his or her Gmail or email. Now what will happen? To do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service, Pably Connect, which will help us connect form stack and ConvertKit together. Now if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. So now we are on our screen. So what do we have to do? We have to go to the address bar and type in pably.com/connect, and as soon as you will do that and press enter, you will be redirected to this page. And here you have two options. Either you can sign in or you can sign up. If you already have an account, you can go for sign in. If you do not have an account, you have to go for sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you here. Okay. Now I already have an account, so I'll just go for sign in, and here I will just go for login. And now you can see these are my softwares. So here what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on access now for Pably Connect, and then you will see a new window will open where I have all my automations done. Here you can see that. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on create workflow, and here I am going to give a name to my workflow. Now here I'm just going to give it a name. So I'll just go and type in form stack to ConvertKit. Because I am connecting form stack to ConvertKit, I am giving it this name. You can give it the name whatever you want to. It's completely up to you. Now here you can see we have two windows. First one is trigger, second one is action. Now trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process. Action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process or when the final event is happening. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So what are we doing here? We are having a new form submission through form stack. So we are just going to select form stack, and here we are going to go for a new form submission. Okay. Now after this, I will just click on connect, and here we are going to go for add new connection, and I'll click on connect with form stack. I have already opened my form stack account here, and you can see this is the form I'm going to fill, and this is my account. So I'm just going to authorize my Pably Connect for that. And as soon as I will give it the authorization, my form stack will be connected to my Pably Connect account. And you also have to give the authorization to Pably Connect. And let me tell you, do not worry about your data. Your data is absolutely 100% safe with Pably Connect, and Pably Connect does not take any chances with your data. Now here what we are going to do, we are going to click on not click on here. Now what we are going to, we are going to take a response first. Okay. So what is the response? As soon as I am going to fill this contact form, what will happen here? A response will come, and the details of that contact form will come here. Now why will the details of contact form will come here? Because I have selected contact form over here. I have two forms in my form stack, feedback form and contact form. Let me just show you. This is the feedback form, this is the contact form, and I have selected contact form here, and that is why the details from contact form will come here. So let me just close this and let me show you how you are going to do that. You can see here it is written contact form. Just click on the contact form, and here you can see here is an option for view live form. Just go there, and here it is your live form. So let's just fill this live form. Arpit Sharma, and email would be Arpit Sharma 4321@gmail.com. Okay. I have just used a dummy email here. Now organization, I work for Pably Connect. So I'm just going to write Pably Connect in the organization, and you can create any kind of form. It is not necessary that you only use name, email and organization. There are several other fields as well. You can use address, you can use phone number, you can use other types of fields as well, age, etc, etc. I am just using this to show you how this automation is done, and that is why I have kept these fields less. Okay. Now what we are going to do, just click on submit form, and as soon as we will click on submit form, you will see in Pabbly Connect. Oh, I am really sorry, my mistake. Before submitting a form, first you have to click on save and send test request, because without clicking on save and send test request, your response will not come into your Pabbly Connect form. So let me just first click this. I forgot to do that, and now you can see it is showing me waiting for response. I am going to fill this form again. So let me just do that again. Arpit Sharma 4321@gmail.com, and organization is Pabbly Connect. Okay, now submit form, and as soon as we will submit the form, you will see here I will have a response within some seconds, and you can see this is the response here, Arpit, last name Sharma, and now you can see this is my email, arpitsharma4321@gmail.com. Now our first step of connecting our form stack to our Pabbly Connect account is complete. Now what we are going to do, we are going to select our next application in action step, which would be ConvertKit. So I am just going to select the application ConvertKit here. And after that, what I am going to do, I am just going to select add subscriber to a form. Okay. Now let me just show you my ConvertKit. So this is the ConvertKit. Now what I am going to do, I am just going to make a submission where the form submission details will go to the appropriate email ID of the person, and from there he or she will have to authenticate it, and after that he or she will be added as a subscriber through the Gmail. Okay, now what we are going to do, first we are going to go here and click on connect, and now I'll just go for add new connection, and here you can see it is asking you for the API key and the API secret key. So what you are going to do, you can go to you can go here and follow these instructions to your ConvertKit account. After login, go to your account and settings. So we are just going to go here, and now here what you have to do, you have to go to your account, and then you have to go to your settings. So in settings, you are going to get your API key, and also your first go to advanced, and in advanced you are going to get your API key and API secret key. So first we are going to copy the API key. Let's just copy this and paste it here. Now let's just copy the secret key and paste it here as well, and now click on save. Now as soon as you will do that, you will see your ConvertKit account will be connected to your Pabbly Connect account. Now here it is asking you for the form, so I only have this one form, shallow form, so I'm just going to select this one. Let me just show it to you. So here you can see this is the form I have here. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to make a subscriber in this form. So here what I'm going to do, I'm just going to choose a technique which is called mapping. And mapping will let me take the data from this window here, and it will let me put the data here in this window. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to map in my first name here, which is Arpit. Now email, so email was arpitsharma4321@gmail.com. And tags is whatever tag you want to use here, you can use here. Now I am just going to use the tag manually of form stack. So here I'm just going to select form stack, and after that I'm just going to click on save and send test request. Now what will happen, as soon as I will do that, the subscription state will remain inactive until and unless Arpit Sharma 4321@gmail.com go and subscribe to it through his Gmail. Now Arpit Sharma 4321@gmail.com is a dummy email, and I do not have access to that email because that is not a real email. So what I am going to do, I am just going to do one more form submission on a real email, and I am going to show you how the subscriber is added into the ConvertKit. Now this is not a real email, so we do not have any subscriber here in ConvertKit. So I am just going to go back to my form here. Let me just open this, and let me just open one more window for you where we are going to show you how it's done. So this is one of my account, and this is the socialfever@gmail.com. You can see I do not have anything here as well as here. Now what I am going to do, I am just going to go back to form stack. Here I am just going to fill in one new form. Let's just go for Swati Sharma. And now I am putting a valid email ID, thesocialfever2020@gmail.com. Okay. Organization is Pabbly Connect. And now before I submit the form, let me first go back and show you my subscribers. So these are my subscribers, and you do not see any Swati here or any Swati Sharma here, okay? And the socialfever2020@gmail.com is not also here. So what we are going to do, we are just going to go back and click on submit form. Now, as soon as we will submit form, what will happen? The details of the form will be taken to the Pabbly Connect account, and through Pabbly Connect account, it will go to the ConvertKit account, and from there, an email will be sent into the socialfever2020@gmail.com, which means here. So here you can see, we are going to have new email. You can see this, parkerdevin289@gmail.com. As soon as I will open this, you can see here is a new email. Thanks for signing up. Click the link below to confirm your subscription and you will be on your way. So as soon as I will click on confirm your submission, I'll be added to this list of subscribers here. So let me just do that. First, I will click on confirm your submission. Now you can see here it is written subscription confirmed. Boom, you're officially confirmed and on the list. Expect some great emails headed your way very soon. Now I'll go back here in ConvertKit and you can see I do not have any subscriber now, but as soon as I will go and refresh it, my subscriber count will increase and you can see I have Swati here. And this is my email, thesocialfever2020@gmail.com. So friends, this is how you can connect your, wait a minute, let me go up, your form stack with your ConvertKit, so that whenever a new form submission will come into the form stack account, you will have a new subscriber automatically added to your ConvertKit. But for that, he has to click on the subscription and he has to authenticate it through his email or her email. So this is a very useful automation and you can use it in your business as well as in your personal life. And for that, you need to have this workflow. So either you can create this workflow or you can clone it from my description box, but you can only clone it from my description box if you already have an account. If you do not have an account, go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. Okay. So do not wait, go and sign up now. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to added in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.